Located on Florida's Gulf Coast, Lakewood Ranch is one of the top-selling master plan communities in the country. It offers a mix of residential neighborhoods, shopping, dining, and recreational amenities, with miles of trails, parks, golf courses, and its proximity to downtown Sarasota, area beaches, and nearby airports. It provides a wide range of housing and lifestyle options. This home is located inside Windward at Lakewood Ranch, a gated community known for its resort-style living and strong demand from both full-time residents and second home buyers. Here you'll find a clubhouse, fitness center, social club, 2 resort-style pools, and a full-time activities director organizing events all year round. The community offers pickleball and tennis courts, walking trails, dog parks, and playgrounds. From here, you're just minutes away from University Town Center Mall for shopping and dining, close to Nathan Benderson Park for outdoor activities, and near Waterside Town Center and Lakewood Ranch Main Street, both known for restaurants, events, and everyday convenience. For families, schools serving this area include Tatum Ridge Elementary School, McIntosh Middle School, Booker High School, and the private Out-of-Door Academy. Homes in Windward range from approximately 1,400 square feet to over 3,600 square feet, with pricing typically starting in the mid-400s and reaching well over $1 million depending on the home, lot, and level of upgrade. That range gives you flexibility whether you're looking for something low maintenance or a larger home designed for hosting and entertaining. Windward at Lakewood Ranch continues to attract buyers who want more than just a home. They're choosing a lifestyle. Between the amenities, the location, and the range of homes available, it's easy to see why so many people are choosing this area, whether they're relocating full-time or looking for a second home here on the Sun Coast. So let's go in and take a look at the Savannah 2 plan here in Windward. Come on, let's take a look inside. This home offers just under 3,000 square feet of living space, with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage, giving you the flexibility a lot of buyers are looking for, especially if you're planning for guests or working remotely. The main living space brings together the kitchen, dining, and great room in one continuous flow. The kitchen is positioned right at the center of the home, with a large island that anchors the space, ideal for casual dining, entertainment, or just everyday living. Depending on the finishes selected, you'll typically see upgraded cabinetry, quartz countertops, and a more modern coastal look that fits the area. The primary suite is set apart from the rest of the home, creating more of a private retreat. You'll typically find a spacious bedroom, large walk-in closet, and a bathroom with dual vanities and a walk-in shower. On the opposite side of the home, the secondary bedrooms give you options: guest rooms, office space, or a combination of both. The layout is designed with a split bedroom floor plan, which creates separation between the primary suite and the guest bedrooms, something that works well whether you're hosting family or just want a little more privacy day to day. There's also a 3rd bathroom, which is a big advantage when you have visitors or want to create a more functional layout for everyday use. From the great room, everything opens out to the covered lanai. Many buyers choose to extend this space with a pool, outdoor kitchen, or seating area, turning it into an extension of the home for most of the year. And like most new construction communities, availability and pricing can shift based on what's released and what's already under contract. If you'd like a closer look at what's currently available or want to compare this floor plan to other options in Windward, call or text me directly. I can walk you through what's actually available right now and help you decide what options make the most sense based on how you plan to use the home. What most buyers don't realize is that some of the best builder incentives aren't publicly advertised and they're always changing. If you'd like a behind-the-scenes look at current incentives, real pricing, and what's actually available right now, call or text me directly at 941-318-0760, and I'll walk you through opportunities that most buyers never even hear about. And if you appreciate this kind of access, make sure you subscribe so you never miss a model home tour or what's happening across Sarasota and Lakewood Ranch.